Hello, my Diamond Divas. This is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today I have a brand new Diamond Art Club diamond painting to share with you. I haven't even gotten it out of the box yet. I'm in the middle of moving, but I wanted to stop long enough to open this for you and show you what we have. So keep watching. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get it out of the box. So this particular design is going to be this image. It's called Each Tree Has a Soul, and you guys know anything with rainbow colors is just like a magnet to me. It just draws me in. The size of this, 28 inch by 18 inch, and that is a 71 by 46 centimeter. It is a square, and it does have some aurora borealis. So aurora borealis drills have an extra iridescent glitter almost. So those provide extra sparkle. And with Diamond Art Club, the facets are higher, the number of facets are higher with their pieces and their drills than any other paintings I've tried from any other company. So that is why I'm such a huge fan of theirs. Their quality is like second to none. It is the best quality of all the ones I've ever tried. So let's go ahead and open our box. The box is even nice. It's actually sealed for protection, gives you all the instructions you need. On the back, it tells you what your content should be and all of that. Let me get this open for you. Our rolled canvas, our colorful schematic that is actually on sticker back paper. So for, however you like to store your pieces, you have this to go with it. Our image is nicely colored on the side. And we have our premium tools in here, which I won't go into. I've done that in prior videos. I'm gonna unroll this canvas. This is a rolled canvas that will lay flat after just a few minutes of being out because it is made of like a velvet material. It doesn't stay rolled for long. You can see it's just absolutely stunning. Now I have these drills. I don't go through drills, you guys know that. But look at these colors. Like, I know I love to say delicious yumminess, but how else do you describe this? Delicious yumminess. Also, I want you to notice, and I pointed this out in prior videos, but this canvas actually has a sparkle to it so that it adds extra sparkle once you have your drills on it. What if anything shows through, it sparkles with the drills, so it's not even that noticeable. If you don't get your square drills butted right up against each other, you don't have to worry about it because the canvas itself has this beautiful sparkle in it. Now I'm going to slide this piece a little bit over so that you can see schematic on this side, schematic on that side. Sorry, I know that's not super clear. So you definitely have both your schematics. The color code is what I call the schematic. And it is very clear. So when you are working, you can distinguish between these similar colors, in here, and because the symbol is so different. So there's such a vast difference in a K and a 1 that you can tell very easily, or a plus sign, what color needs to go in which position. As I've said before, the Diamond Art Club diamond paintings have a superior glue. So basically the way you can tell the difference in what is a poured glue and I think it's a rolled glue, just an adhesive, is whether it's got this clear protection. The ones who have poured glue is what these are, the super high-end ones, usually have a clear covering like this one. Make sure you can see that. So the clear covering usually indicates that it is a poured glue and it is super sticky, not just an adhesive that is laid down and it doesn't really hold your drills. This one will hold your drills if you move it, if you roll it. I don't recommend rolling it after you have it done, but you could do that because the glue is so strong it holds, everything. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little brief look of Diamond Art Club painting. I will put a link in the description to their website. The link I will give you is a referral from me. I'm just a customer, but I am in the rewards program. So make sure you check out the rewards program because I've gotten lots of free paintings by paying attention to the rewards, liking their Facebook page and whatever. So definitely look into that because You will be obsessed like I am with the Diamond Art Club paintings once you try them. All right, guys, thank you for joining me again today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to like this video. It helps me coming back with more. And also join us at the group. It is in the description below, and if you don't know where the description is, there's actually a video that I have created to show you where it is. If you see the title down there of the video, to the right is a little arrow. Click that arrow and all that information will drop down and show you what you need to know about this particular company, and my favorite tools to go with diamond painting will be there linked as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thank you as always for watching.